Welcome to Heidelberg Materials, Egypt, one of the largest private cement producers in Egypt. We are an integrated manufacturer of building materials with leading market positions in cement, aggregates, and ready mixed concrete. Our industrial network is made up of 4 production facilities. The group's industrial network provides a degree of national exposure unmatched by competitors for its comprehensiveness and longevity. At Heidelberg Materials Egypt, we are working diligently to be one of the safest cement companies in the industry by taking active steps to decrease the frequency of workplace accidents. All visitors to our facilities are expected to follow our strict safety protocols. When you first arrive, you will be registered at the entrance, and you will receive a name tag. Make sure you wear it at all times and that your name is clearly visible. Locate all exit and assembly points. In case you hear an emergency siren or alarm, calmly make your way to an emergency exit or to one of our assembly points. Do not enter any lifts. Our safety card lists include the main risks inside the plant. It includes PPEs, warnings against touching electrical equipment, abiding by all warning signs, and not walking under suspended loads or lifting devices. Safe driving rules. Read this card carefully before entering. Note to entry to ATEX zones, the quarry, and any restricted area is not permitted without authorization. Never walk in these areas alone. When you enter the plant, you must be accompanied by a designated contact person at all times. All employees must abide by our cardinal rules. Anyone who drives within the plant must wear a seatbelt. The maximum speed limit is 25 kilometers per hour. Drivers must never use a phone behind the wheel and park only in reverse. Take extra care when driving around pedestrians. Pedestrians must always use designated safe walkways. Give priority to vehicles. Always use handrails when taking the stairs and never throw or leave anything on the ground. Smoking is only permitted in designated areas. Visitors and employees must wear PPEs at all times unless they are walking on one of the marked safety paths. When working on machines, ensure all rotating parts are covered, as mandated. To minimize the risk of accidents arising from different operations, employees must follow the LOTUTU, log out, tag out, and try out system. Equipment must be properly isolated from energy sources and tested to ensure that it cannot start or move prior to conducting any tasks. Safeguards must be in place before equipment is started or restarted. Employees must also take precautions when working at any height above 1.8 meters. Site personnel are expected to follow the WHA objectives. Inspect all scaffolds thoroughly. Do not use the scaffold unless the tags are green, and wear a safety harness. Entry into confined spaces is only allowed for persons with a permit signed by an authorized person. Take proper precautions before entering and check for gases inside. At the end of the induction, please sign your card.